Hi, I'm Snehal and here I am explaining my loan interest calculator program. We are having a PictoBlox in which we have defined one function as interest calculator. The variables over there are principal, rate and time. The formula for calculating the amount is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. We are inputting all the three things, that is principal, rate and time, and then we are calling the function to calculate the interest. So now I will execute the program by the run option. It is asking, Toby is asking principal. I have given the value of principal as 12,000 and now it is asking me the rate. The rate I have given it as 6%, so 6, and time I have given as 6 years. If I press enter key, it is saying that the amount is 16,230 and that amount has gone because I have given 2 seconds. And it was fun doing this program.